slow fading summer. You're not Christmas glowing just yet. You're cool but never cruel. You are a time for reflection before they start wrapping up the gifts. I think of the year passing by, what happened, where I've been, what I did and didn't do, what I thought I'd held on to, and what slipped right through before my eyes.
I kept calling, you never answered. I thought the silence was goodbye.
I was waiting for my train to get to you, lost in all the noise on the platform.
I left home.
I got on, the air feels thin and the sky so high. Birds fly away, I sigh, but I don't cry. Let's not get lost in translation. Let's get through this transition.
Here comes autumn,
and I hear a voice, you were there, but not with me. And August took you away to a place I couldn't follow. The heat waves are long gone, I hardly remember September. I took a different route home, the world felt foreign for 10 minutes.
streets I'd never been to before, houses I'd never seen. I slowed down and kept going
while carrying summer on my mind. There goes the season we'll soon forget. I love you, November, though the days grow shorter and the nights deepen into solid ink. You're not loud, you are calm. You give me space to be alone. Before carols start to fill this old town, I look back on what came and went.
what I said, what I heard, what I let go and should have kept.
Who I met, who I missed in this quiet month of the year.
The air feels thin and the sky so
high. Birds fly away, I remember I said to you,
let's not get lost in translation. We'll get through this transition. Here comes autumn,
and I hear wisdom, I'm still here, back on my feet.
3 Octobers passed, I barely think of us these days.
And the cool air finally feels right. I play that sad song again, and somehow it makes me laugh now. The colors in the sky melt into copper leaves. Cosmos bloom, I breathe in.
Though we got lost in translation, we got through this transition.
Cosmos gone,
and I hear a whisper, leaves are falling,
leaves are falling,
and the moon glows,
and the moon glows silver. It'll soon be winter.